start, been reppin' Painfield. Zeke Molly, Vader Law, been reppin' Painfield.
What's good, YouTube? It's your guy Hitch. Happy belated Gray Day. For you guys that are not aware, New Balance celebrated what they're known for, coming out with some of the most iconic gray sneakers. They had a couple limited releases if you're able to pick them up. Kudos to you. And with that being said, I am still on my New Balance binge. I felt my next pair of New Balances would have been a pair of 997 Sports or maybe something out of the 1500 series, but the sale on these were too good to pass up, so I picked up this pair of 997 Made in America, but these are out of the festival pack. I don't know how I stumbled across their website, but I'm glad I did. I picked these up from a sneaker store out in Toledo, Ohio called Sunika Sneakers. I hope I pronounced that the right way, but they had a 40% off sale across their entire website for back to school. So instead of paying $200 or $210 retail, I picked these up for $120. The inspiration behind the colorway is real dope to me. To celebrate the 50th year of the Woodstock Festival, New Balance took every piece of Jimi Hendrix outfit and incorporated it into the entire shoe. Per usual, you have A1 materials on the upper, starting on that toe box where you have super soft black suede, and the only real way to check if the suede is good is the suede swipe. When you swipe your finger across the suede, you can see it easily moving, and to me, that's how I judge good quality suede. Behind the toe, you're then going to see a bluish teal strip of leather, and further behind that, you're back to pig suede in light gray, which is again good quality. And on top of it, you have the New Balance logo, which I really do love because it's made out of 3M. The logo is in white, and then behind the white is blue leather. As you keep going to the back of the sneaker, where you finish off with your lace holes, it has white plastic. And as you get to your heel, you have two different materials there, a fuchsia strip of leather, and above it you have an embroidered design that has a few different colors, black, white, like a teal, pink, and blue. And in that embroidered design you have New Balance stitched in black. Below it all, you then have your soft black pig suede again. At the top of your sneaker, you then have your flat light gray laces, and behind that is your tongue. And it may not necessarily be easy to see on first sight, but the tongue is two-tone. At the bottom of the tongue is light gray mesh, and at the top is a blue corduroy material. That material has white stars printed onto it, and then New Balance Made in USA stitched in red. On the inside of the sneaker, you have pretty much everything's all black, starting with the soft cotton material as your lining, and then your insole being completely black with your New Balance branding. When you get to your midsole is going to be two-toned as well, and the front part of the midsole, it's going to be a peach color. And as you work your way to the back of the sneaker where your end cap cushioning is, the color is then yellowed, and below everything you're gonna have a all black rubber outsole, and in the midfoot area it's going to have a peach color with your New Balance branding. Now there is something weird about this shoe, and aside from colorway, these are supposed to be the exact same thing as the LBGs that I covered not too long ago. Go watch that video if you haven't done it. But from a fitting standpoint, they're true to size, even having a wide foot like I do. However, after wearing these all day Thursday, I noticed in the midfoot area that there started to be a little bit of uncomfort or a little bit of pain, and I had to take the shoe off just to like relieve my foot. So I thought that was a little bit strange, but that did happen. That being said, I still love these. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm rating them a 4. New Balance, you guys have my undivided attention. I'm looking to cop a pair of 997 Sports and a pair of 1500 soon. If New Balance has your attention, man, hit the comments, let me know what you guys are looking to pick up soon. If you enjoyed this video, go subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified when I have new videos coming out. I preview sneakers on my Instagram before I get a chance to do these videos. So if you want to see what I'm previewing or what videos coming down the pipeline, go follow my Instagram. I'm out.
Terror to rock. Zeke Marley Vader Law, been reppin' Painfield. Zeke Marley Vader Law, been reppin'
From terror to
Painfield.
rock, smooth criminal and gambling spots. Shoot dice to kill time, life handleable watch. Be careful where you bustin' your box. Narcos got the drop from snitching niggas with their hands in the pot. We was banging on the table, clips grinding beat. Lunchtime, broke days, Uncle Will, hook it up. Lunch line, got a couple dollars, get hot wings and